10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Kick that bass.
Let's do it now.
How we doing, guys? Basscop here. I got the new alternators on, made by Jonathan Patrick at Custom Electric Incorporated in Independence, Ohio. Looks like everything is going pretty smooth on these. Looks like they're tracking pretty good. Looks like the belt alignment's good. Very, very happy with the way these turned out and how these look on here. Very happy. Alright guys, so stay tuned. There'll be more updates coming, more progress coming as I get ready for it. Moving up to 16K, getting ready for Slamology. This is Basscop.